How to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. With Cash App being as popular today, you might want to transfer money from the Dasher Direct to your Cash App account. Unfortunately, DoorDash does not directly support this. However, there are workarounds that are quick and do not cause significant delays in receiving your money. In this video, we'll learn two verified methods to transfer money from Dasher Direct to the Cash App. Well, the first one is the Apple Pay workaround. In order to transfer money from the Dash Direct to Cash App using Apple Pay, add your Dash Direct card to your Apple Wallet. Add your Cash App card to your Apple Wallet and transfer money from your Dash Direct card to your Apple Wallet. Send the money from your Apple Wallet to your Cash App. Although it involves a few extra steps, this method ensures a quick transfer to your Cash App account from the Dash Direct. Now, using your Cash App account and the routing number. To transfer money without using the Cash App card, find your account and routing numbers on the banking tab of your Cash App. Use these numbers to set up Dasher Direct to deposit funds directly into the Cash App. Well, in this method, instant deposits can be made within the 24 hours. These workarounds do not introduce any additional delays and ensure the quick arrival of your money. Although you can't use the Cash App directly due to your Dasher Direct's restrictions on the prepared cards, these methods are reliable for transferring funds to your Cash App account swiftly. So transferring money from the Dasher Direct to the Cash App is straightforward with these steps, providing a quick way to get funds into your Cash App account. If you have any questions about Cash App or the DoorDash, feel free to ask in the comment section. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.